Let me start here with speaker, or let me start with my mic headphone. So increase the volume. Can you hear me, guys? So here is semicolon. Can you hear me? Students,
Yes,
can you hear me? Yes. So here, guys, func1 is a virtual
Yes,
function.
sir.
This is abstract class. And here, as I said, I could not allow to create the object, but I can create in this way. New subclass, new subclass of, okay. Now I can call PA. Now I can call by using the reference of what is the func1? Func1. Now I can call it func1. Now this should work. Okay. So pointer reference, POIN pointer, POIN pointer reference. Okay. Or virtual new pointer reference. Pointer reference. Control F9. Oh, extra flower bracket. Control S, Control F9. Compiling. So what's the problem again? Let me check the error. What the error here? Integer ignored. Why ignored? Return 0, right? Oh, semicolon is missing. Control S, Control F9. Control F9. Compiling. Done. Now Control F10. You can see the output, guys. So properties. By using new. Can you see, guys? I am in func1 of subclass. I am in func1 of subclass, guys. Understood? So new is a memory creation operator. New is the operator, guys, which is responsible to allocate the memory. For the object. Okay? Understood? समझ लगा? So can have pointers and references of abstract class type. So it's a reference pointing to the subclass, guys. So Control A, Control C. Let me have the backup for your information. So let me have that point. So we can use, the programmer can use pointers and references of abstract class. Okay. So this is the example. Okay, guys. So you will get the output as a I mean abstract function. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, fine. समझ लगा? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So again, as I said to you, I need to prove that. So I need to prove that if programmer don't override or don't redefine the virtual function, programmer virtual function in subclass, or you can call in derived class or subclass or in child class, then derived class also becomes abstract class. Right? Derived class also become abstract class, guys. Right? Yes or wrong? Right or wrong? Right or wrong, guys? हो किंवा नाही बोला तरी कमीत कमी.
Right, sir. Right.
So guys, now let me prove that. So if programmer, so as I said to you earlier while explaining virtual function, if programmer don't override or redefine the virtual function, virtual function in subclass or derived class, then derived class also become abstract class. I said this note point in my characteristic of virtual function, right? Characteristic of virtual functions. So let me show you that. Where is that characteristic? Okay, in some situation, Implementation of definition cannot be provided in the base class becomes, then we don't know the implementation. In such cases, class is abstract class. Yes, here subclasses inheriting abstract class must implement or define the body of the functions for all pure or partial virtual functions, or else subclass will also become abstract. Subclass also will become abstract. Did I say it or not? Did I say it or not? While explaining the characteristic of abstract class. Yes or no? बोलत नाहीत राव, झोपली वाटतं. Have you been sleeping? Huh? Students, Avdut and others, while learning abstract class, if subclass does not redefine the functions or don't define, then that class will become abstract class, right? Page down. So let me prove that also. So guys, so let me use same Control A, Control C, Control T F. What's the problem? Control A, Control C. Now Alt F, new here, Control V. Now, if you look at this, if you look at an example, so I'm not defining these functions. So here, suppose demo is the functions. I'm in demo functions. So I'm not defining this virtual function. I'm not defining this pure virtual function. Pure virtual functions. And let me get one more function, which is partial. Okay, how can I get virtual int something get and some body. Okay, return 1, 2, 3. That's it. This is partial, and this is pure virtual function, right? This is partial and this is pure. Now in my subclass, I'm not at all defining either partial or pure. I'm not at all defining, but I'm trying to access. I'm trying to create the object reference. Okay. So guys, how directly you can create in this way also. So here SC subclass. So here let me use exercising SC demo, Control C demo. Okay. So subclass also abstract. Subclass also becomes abstract. Control F9. So you can see here, guys. Oh, I forget to say the compile syntax. Let me compile once again. So guys, you can see here, cannot declare SC to be of type subclass because, let me use magnifier here for your visibility, magnifier. So you can see here, guys, magnifier. So you can see here, cannot declare variable SC to be of type subclass, okay? Because following virtual functions are abstract. Func1, right? Func1 is present, right here, guys. Func1 is abstract function or not? Virtual function or not? Are you getting, guys? So because of that reason, subclass also becomes abstract. So here, subclass also becomes abstract. Subclass also becomes abstract, guys. Okay, guys, fine. So this is a practical proof. Error is a practical proof. Okay, fine. Control A, Control C. So let me keep that point. So here, subclass also become abstract, guys. So Srinivas, are you there? Srinivas, Ganesh, Shushikesh, Sohel, Inaz?
Yes, sir. I am there. Yes, sir.
Do you clear about this point? If program don't redefine the virtual function in subclass or DR class, the DR class also become abstract, right? Compiler give the compiler show you error. Compiler show you error or not? This func1 is abstract, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So I hope you got some idea. What are the things that I explained?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
About abstract class and virtual functions. I hope now you got the ideas. Huh?
Yes.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
मुलं पळून का गेली? Rishikesh, Suraj.
इंटरव्ह्यू मॉक इंटरव्ह्यू आज
Okay, okay. Kelkar, Swanand,
Yes, sir.
clear? काय doubt आहे?
Clear. नाही.
Mansi,
नो सर नो सर
No doubt, sir.
then anyone else? Kamble,
No doubt, sir.
काय असेल तर विचारा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आय कॅन रिपीट बिकॉज मी सकाळी जे काही एक्सप्लेन केलं ना, ऍक्च्युली मी ठरवलं होतं आज, मी आज सगळं संपवायचं आज. फक्त एक दोन प्रोग्राम राहिले तर झालं ऑलरेडी, ऑलमोस्ट संपवलंय मी. अपस्टार्ट क्लास संपले गाईज. आणि एक पॉईंट राहिलाय, अपस्टार्ट क्लास कॅन हॅव कन्स्ट्रक्टर ऑल्सो. एक पॉईंट राहिला फक्त, शेवटचा पॉईंट. तो घ्यायचा का उद्या घ्यायचा? एक प्रोग्राम आहे छोटासा.
उद्या घ्या सर उद्या घ्या.
Okay guys,
उद्या.
so let me add here an abstract class. Okay guys, thank you. काही
you,
डाऊट
sir.
असेल तर उद्या घेऊन या, आपण उद्या करू कॉल.
ओके सर
Abstract class.
Okay, sir.
Also have constructor also. Okay guys, so we'll see tomorrow remaining stuff. Thank you all. Let me end the meeting. Thank you all.